A very warm good morning to all of you who have joined us early. Being a pandemic situation, everyone tends to late, get up a little late. So it is a great pleasure to see everyone, up and ready so early. I also would like to thank Inanda sir and Vishwaniketan's whole team to find me fit for this discussion. And I think it is a great pleasure to come back home, as rightly said by ma'am. So I'll be sharing a few experiences that I have and had with Vishwaniketan and how it has helped me pursue a career which I find to be very fitting. So first, I would like to introduce myself briefly because that is how you'll know that what all experiences you can link to. So I'm Pratik Survase, passed out from the batch of 2019 from civil engineering, and currently I'm the founder and of Survasi Design Studios, which deals mostly in interior designs, structural designs, consultations in civil engineering field. So these three are the majors, and we also deal in material supplies and various allied fields to civil engineering. Past to this, I have 2 years of experience working in JMJ Group of companies as a civil engineer and a assistant project manager for civil engineering projects. So I was major in interiors itself, interior designing, material purchase and market surveys. So this was my major. And I also am a defense aspirant. That is, I want to join Indian Armed Forces. I've been preparing for that from the very beginning. Uh, I have various experiences with those process as well. That is a very different kind of thing. Mostly comes under defense aspirants, then UPSC and these flows. So this is my major. And speaking about my experience with college, which has helped me throughout this whole process, is participating various cultural festivals, various events, which did boost up my confidence for pursuing this career because we see that this career is not a static career that you will be stagnant. Wherein, speaking of an entrepreneur point of view, the business point of view, the scenario does not remain static. That is, you do not have a fixed income, you do not have fixed clients, you do not have fixed problems, but it is very dynamic. Considering the situation that is going on currently of COVID, it becomes much more difficult to tap customers, to have an outreach, and also it has become a challenge for many of us to survive in this business scenario because as we can see because of this there are various lockdowns and various current issues that are going on. So these cultural fests in the college help me deal with the pressure in beforehand. I can so that I can relate to it. And also speaking in defense point of view, that is for the preparations that I have done, public speaking, interaction, all these things boost up the confidence of a student, and it helps him crack the interview very easily. So this is the whole journey that I had with Vishwaniketan, and I think it will help me a lot.
Good morning to future engineers and respected sir and madam here. Before I start the session, allow me introduce myself first. My name is Shubham Singh. I'm a computer engineer passed out from Vishwaniketan, very first batch in the year 2017. And I'm currently working as a support analyst for TCS. I'm working for Sony Picture Entertainment. Technology, we are working on like SAP Business Object, Tableau, database as Oracle and Postgres, and MongoDB. And I just started working on AWS too. It has been 3 years now that I started working in this field, and by now I thinking I have a fair knowledge of what I'm going and what I shall be doing in coming few years. So if you guys want to learn this technology, I can help you definitely. And uh, let me create the session a little bit interesting with sharing some story.